guys, I'm Faye. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to Ellis Park. It's not too far from here. I think about like 5 miles.
You're not listening, are you?
I am listening, I promise. He's protesting because it's way hot. He says, I don't know why you bring me here. I need to go back to the car where it is nice and cool, and then you drag me outside and I don't like it. It's not so much the heat that is bothering us. It's the fact that it's humid also. We can barely breathe. There is a pool somewhere here, but right now it is not open. Oh my gosh, there is water in the pool. It would be so nice if I could swim right now. To the look of it, it's not open. I remember when this thing used to be packed, and you have this little space for little kids and the pool over there for big kids. Oh well. Pretty cool thingy. Lots of young people seems to be walking around, frolicking.
Watch out, Patty.
It's okay. Well, when it's this hot, the only place that you can take refuge to is like outdoors. You would not cut me dead outside playing sport right now. It's way too hot. I suppose some people want to exercise. You gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, we are turning back. We are going down in the playground and going to the other side of the park. Although when you're standing on the shade, it's not as hot. The 360 view of the park. Okay, let's go down. And there's a golf course. I don't know if you can see it from here. And we're gonna go this way. I don't know what is there, but we're gonna check it out anyway. Excuse me, can I ask you a question? Do you perhaps know where the duck pond is at?
Duck pond? I do not.
Okay.
If anything, I mean, we have the river, but I don't know any duck pond. This way, there's like a little small pond, like by the golf course.
Uh-huh.
If you literally go up this way, you just make a left. Now there's a small little duck pond.
Thank you. All right, I come to the pond. The view is gorgeous. However, there is no ducks. There is a ton of frogs, but there's no ducks. I was trying to crack some jokes, and I remember, Faye, don't even try it. You're not a funny person. Anyway, I am going to head back to my car, and then we're gonna go to a different part of the park. Perhaps we'll get to feed ducks. Who knows? I was going to show you the houseboats. I wanted to walk down there. Dude, it's too hot. I'm going back to my car. The houseboats. Nothing spectacular, I guess. This is a new apartment building, so I'm trying to take pictures of reference, point of reference, so you know where I've been. Right now we are in Penn Avenue Northwest. There is a huge empty space in front of us, so we're gonna turn left to follow the river trail, and there I think there is a prettier view. are you? Wonderful. Oh, thank you. So the length of the trek is about 3 miles. It's quite lovely, isn't it? We are about to turn right on Ellis Boulevard. As you can see, there is a bunch of new houses here. This used to be like almost like a ghetto, so they are gentrified, so it started to look decent. I am looking forward to walking the shade because it's not as hot. Hello. All right, we are almost at the end of our trek. We are right behind Quaker Oat, so pretty soon we're gonna be pretty much downtown. We made it!